Here we have a Piezo system for the electronic drums, and this pad having an issue that the sound is intermittent cutting sound. And actually this is the common issue with regards to the pads, that the sound is cutting. Because you know why? I'm gonna share it to you. Like for example, we have a Piezo here. This pad is for the kick pedal, and this kick pedal having an issue about the intermittent cutting sound. Actually this piezo can be fixed, or if you have replacement, if you can get the replacement, better to replace. But at this time I'm going to show it to you how to fix this piezo system. Okay, first you have to check the connection. Like for example, if you see this wire, actually I already removed, it has cover here. To save our time, I just remove it. By removing this, you have to apply alcohol, ordinary alcohol like this you can apply, or acetone. Okay, let's continue. I am going to show it to you how to check this one. First step, you need to check the connection of the wire. Like for example, the the red wire and the white wire. I'm going to start for the red wire. I'm going to set my digital tester to continuity mode, meaning continuity mode, you can hear the beep sound or buzzing sound if it is connected to it's on the same line. Now that you have an idea how to check the continuity, let's go to the red wire. The red wire is here. Anyone, if black or red is okay, no problem. If you reverse, it's okay, no problem. Now I'm going to start here for the black, for the red wire. The red wire, let me check here first. So meaning this wire connection is okay. Now let's go forward over here to the piezo, which is this red wire is connected to the ground here. Okay, connection is okay. How about here? Yes, connection is okay. On the at the middle, this one is the positive line, and actually this is the main line. And if you see this color yellow, this one is a ground plate, and we have connection here. Ground is okay. Now let's move to white wire. Red wire is okay, the connection is okay. And for the white wire, okay, white wire connection is okay here, from here, and we go forward over here. And this white wire is connected to the main line, which is the signal line of the piezo. Okay, so we do not have connection here, but actually these pedal sometimes work with the sound is weak. So now as you cannot hear the beep sound, meaning it has lost connection on this part. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you. This inner part, which is the main line or the audio line, is connected anywhere at the center. You see this, the white or the silver color, it's metal, and it's connected. It's either on this side, or on this side, or on this side. And while on the white wire here, which is supposed to be connected to this line, no, nothing. So meaning it has lost connection on this area here, because we must have get the beep sound here, because it's supposed to be this white wire connected to this line. Now I'm going to show it to you how to solder this and how to fix this one. But before that, let me show it to you how to test this piezo. Okay, so my digital tester, I'm going to set it to capacitor, and let me point it's either black or red, it's okay. If it's reverse, it's okay, it's not a problem. So now I'm going to point my black test probe on the ground, and red on the main line. And as you can see on my digital tester, the value is 22.58 nanofarad. 22. So we do have reading here. Let me reverse. It's the same, no? It's not a problem. So we do have the same 22 point something. But if I move here, nothing. For sure, nothing. It's only point so small. And here 22. So if I put signal on this piezo, it gonna make, if it is not gonna make sound, or if it is gonna make sound, it's so small, so weak sound, not much louder, not normal. Okay, let me check also on the on my analog tester. If you are using analog tester, you have to set this to times 100k, times 100k, because 100k is so sensitive. If I touching the tip of my test probe, you see that the resistance is so sensitive. Now I'm going to check this. Anywhere your test probe the same, even if the reverse or forward test, it's okay. Okay, let's start. 1 2 3. Okay, you see the pointer, it's moving but it's coming back, meaning the piezo disconnect, this part is okay, but here no. I'm planning to, at least you can hear this audio. Let me try. I have amplifier here. Let me try. I need needle. Okay, I will just put it here on the ground, the needle, and then let me grab my alligator clip. Sorry, alligator clip, where are you? Here. So this is the ground and ground signal. Sorry, I'm gonna raise up my volume. Okay, hope you can hear the sound. And I'm gonna point in here to the line and input. Okay, as you heard, it has sound. It has sound. But if I go here to the main line, it has sound but not much, and you heard that humming sound. So this is the problem of this pad kick pedal, and I put it direct here. Sound is okay, and the humming sound gone. Okay, at this time I am going to share to you how to fix this issue, and hopefully we can fix this, or else we have to replace the piezo. Let me focus our camera. So we need to actually based on my experience, sometimes I removing this adhesive, this one, but now I'm thinking to just put a wire here and get soldered over here. Okay, so anyway, let me take out this glue, because I don't want to damage the plate, and the adhesive looks nice, it's durable. So I'm just thinking, okay, anyway, I will just remove it for now, so that you can able to see what is the condition inside. You have to remove it gently, don't scratch the plate. This part is so hard. Later on you will see the wire that soldered on this plate. This adhesive is like rubberized, but after we solder the wire, I'm going to show it to you what adhesive that I am using. Actually, the good idea, if the adhesive is still okay and you're having a cutting sound, better to peel off this wire here and put another connection here, this side, or also this side is okay. So this one is, yes. Okay guys, I saw the problem. You see that the metal around here is peel off. So this is the problem. It gets worn out. I think it is worn out because of the chemical coming from the adhesive. Okay, adhesive is out, and the plate, the marking is here. So it was detached and looks like worn out around here. So my advice is, I think it does make sense, no? Because if we not remove the adhesive, the wire still secure. Anyway, so I'm gonna solder this. I'm gonna take this wire and solder it here. But you know, this condition, the solder here is, it seems good. It's tight, solid. Now I'm gonna put wire here and run on this part here. Wire here and here. Okay, so let me grab wire, a wire. At this time, I'm gonna use this wire. Okay. Let me wipe it with the alcohol. Don't apply lacquer thinner on this. Alcohol is okay, or acetone. Let me clean. Okay, and then I'm planning to solder it here. I cannot clean it well, but it's okay. It's not a problem. So I'm going to solder this wire. Sorry. So my soldering is drop here and stick on it. Stick on it. So since my soldering lead is already there, and I'm going to solder it there. You see that, guys? It stick immediately. I have a soldering iron with variable temperature, so I need to adjust more. If your soldering iron is 40 watts or 30 watts, you have to do it quickly, or else it will burn out the plate, the main line. And it seems okay and solid, so that's enough, and we are going to solder it here. Actually, I have good soldering iron. Why I'm using this? Okay, I'm gonna show it to you, but it's okay, you can use ordinary soldering iron, but now I'm going to use my soldering iron TS80P, this one, and I'm going to change the tip, bigger one. I remove this and use this one. Actually, this TS80P is a good soldering iron. I'm going to set this to 400. To make it fast, I'm going to set it to 400. Okay, 400. And rising up so fast. Yes, 400. Now it's ready to solder. Wow. Let me solder this. Okay, don't apply any soldering flux here, because in the future it will create a problem on the plate. And let me solder this again, so we have to aware. Okay, that is so fast, and we have a good connection now here, solid. And we have to remove this existing wire. Let me use my nail cutter. Okay, and then before I apply adhesive, let me test the connection. If the connection is, we have a good connection, I'm gonna turn on my digital tester and set to continuity mode. Let me grab this and Hope you can see it. Sorry. So this is our connection, the white. Before we get here close connection. Yes, we do have connection now. Okay, let us test. Before we put the adhesive, let me test the audio. Where is my needle? Okay, my needle is here. I'm gonna put it to the ground line, and next is positive line. Okay, and then let me put signal, or let me raise up the volume. Check. Wow, nice. So nice. Wow. Now it's ready to apply a glue, and at this time I am using this UV curing adhesive. Or sometimes I am using glue stick. Glue stick is also okay. I have here glue stick or glue gun like this, but at this time I am going to use curing adhesive with the UV light. Don't apply too much, no? Okay. Okay, let us check. Wow, it's dried so fast. Let me apply also this side. Okay, let me check. Wow. And then next step, I am going to install this, but before that let me double check if the connection is still okay. Yes, we still have audio. Next step is to install back this one. Actually, you can use like all-purpose adhesive like this one, but don't use mighty band. Please use the not so strong adhesive. I'm gonna put only on this side and then install it back. Let me put this so it will stick on that perfectly. Okay, let me check. Wow. Okay guys, job is done. Hope you have got some idea on this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell icon so that you will get updated on our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless us.